Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh, he came up and ate that dry. Hey, what's going on? I'm just finishing up some leftover teriyaki, and I'm gonna do some fly fishing for the first time in over 3 months. I'm at this really tiny stream. Looks like spring runoff hasn't even hit it yet, which it's a little early for runoff. It's March 4th. But I'm gonna try to get back into the small stream fishing again. I've just been ice fishing all winter. We've had some really warm weather lately. It's been in the 70s, and today where I'm at, I'm kind of sort of in the mountains. It's 55 here, and it's partly cloudy, so it's gorgeous. The pressure's super low. I'm hoping I can get some trout. Well, here's the stream. Let's see if I remember how to cast this thing anymore. There are browns, rainbows, and brooks in here. I tend to find the brooks higher up. All right, let's see if I still know how to do this thing. That open water. Pool looks nice. Got him! Oh my gosh, he came up and ate that dry, I think. That is a nice fish. Did you guys see him come up and sip that? This is one of the biggest fish I've seen in this creek. Wow. First action I've had today, finally. Oh, look at that brown. I can just get my net. Look at him go. Yeah. Yeah. First fish on the fly of the year. And he came up and just hammered that dry fly. We got something going on with his jaw here. Oh my gosh, what a nice fish. What a treat. He was in a really deep hole and in that still water. Another good look at him. There he goes. That was really cool. First fish on the fly, all right, this year. All right, that was the first action I had today. Been fishing for about half an hour. Seen a couple fish, but that was great. If it's slow today, I'm pretty happy I got that one. So, doubt I can get another one out of this hole, but let's see. Got him. Got him. Oh, that's a big fish. Oh my God, he came off. That one ate my nymph. I can see him right there. He's swimming away. It was pretty cool. Didn't set the hook well. There's gotta be a fish in this hole. Got him. Got him. Oh, that was cool. I'm gonna get that one to bite again. That one bit the dry too. Come back. Oh, he got it, I got him that time. That was a really slow hook set. Is that a brook trout? I think so. Yeah, it's a brookie. All right. Got another fish. I was worried I only brought one GoPro battery today, so I'm not gonna be able to film much. Look at that brookie. Ate the dry, and it is March 4th. Who would have thought my first few fish I caught today would both be on dries? Pretty fish. There he goes. He's just gonna chill in that super shallow water apparently. There he goes. That was awesome. Came back for it. I just got a fish, I didn't realize it. He's still on. Oh, he's got me in these trees though. Oh man, come on. Oh, he's still in there. He's like tangled. I got him. Man, I had no clue this fish was on. Little brownie. That's my first fish on the nymph today. Wow, I didn't even know he was on. That was kind of funny. Here he goes. He's like hiding under this stick right here. All right, not many fish today, but it is a start. And I'm happy that I came up here to this creek that I like, and it was not frozen. So I caught 3 and I lost 1. And shoot, 2 of those were on dry flies, so yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.